Hello again. Big contrasts with the weather for the next few days, particularly with the temperatures and how it feels. That's definitely in evidence tonight, with a fresh feel across the north, really warm and humid conditions across the south. Not a lot of rain around, but there is some light rain and drizzle clearing southern Scotland, working into northern England, and a little bit damp across parts of Wales, particularly around the coasts and over the hills. But for most, it is a dry night. A few showers with a brisk breeze across northern Scotland, and with these clear skies across the north, as I said at the start, it's quite a comfortable night, a fresh night, whereas in the south, really quite warm and humid, with some towns and cities keeping the temperatures in the mid to even high teens. So it's not a cold start, but it is a rather drab start with a lot of cloud across southern England, and through Wales there'll be some light rain and drizzle here and there. The rain will pep up across Northern Ireland through the day, and eventually we'll see some pushing into southwest Scotland. Much of northern Scotland, again, bar the odd shower, seeing sunny spells, and not as windy as Monday. In the south, well, yes, a lot of cloud, but I'm hopeful that cloud will tend to melt away by the afternoon, and we will see some sunshine coming through, which will have a big impact on the temperatures. Look at the contrast in the colours for the map. Green because it's much fresher across the northwest, whereas the warmth across southern and eastern parts of England could see temperatures over 25 degrees Celsius, whereas we're only in the low teens across the northwestern corner of the UK. And that rain will pep up here too as we go through the evening. Some quite heavy bursts of rain for Northern Ireland, much of southern and western Scotland, whereas for a good part of England and Wales, it's a very pleasant evening with some late sunshine. That rain will continue across northern Britain, perhaps edging into parts of northern England at times, whereas further south, again, it should be a dry night. And again, it's going to be a really quite warm night as well. Temperatures again in the south staying in the mid to even high teens, whereas we'll be in single figures across the far north. That contrast continues through Wednesday. We've got a line of rain really starting off across Scotland, Northern Ireland, slowly pushing into parts of northern England, tending to fizzle out as we go through the day, but a bit damp and drizzly over northwest England and North Wales. To the north of that, fresher air and some sunshine. To the south, again, after a cloudy start, we should see some sunshine coming out once more over parts of southeast Wales, the Midlands, East Anglia and the southeast. And again, that's where the top temperatures will be, easily into the mid-20s, whereas the cooler conditions persist further north. And that is because that line of thicker cloud with some rain is a cold front, and it marks the boundary between the really warm conditions across the south and east and the cooler and fresher conditions further north. And as we go through Wednesday night, while there's some uncertainty on the timing of the front, it will bring some cloud and patchy rain across the south, but most importantly, by Thursday, just look at this, the greener colours, the cooler air flooding south across the UK. So we'll all turn fresher by the end of the working week. But high pressure means that although it will be cooler and fresher, it'll be more comfortable, but there will also be a fair bit of sunshine around. More information on the weather for the week ahead is on a video either on a Met Office website or on our YouTube channels.